In this video, I start to build a bespoke kitchen in solid wood for the guest apartment I have been renovating. I am attempting to build it similar to what they looked like when my schoolhouse was built in 1920, but with modern features. So today the kitchen build officially starts. It's going to be a very small kitchen for the guest apartment that we're in, and it's going to be bespoke and made from wood from scratch. So I'm turning chunks of wood like this into a kitchen, and I made a model in SketchUp to make sure that I get all of the measurements right. It's not an advanced build, or maybe it is. I needed to take a course to do it, to learn how to do it. In this vlog I'm gonna make the base of the kitchen, the bottom. This is the first step, and I need to see if I have all of the tools to get the work done. So that's what today is about. I'm gonna try to make the first side of the kitchen cabinet. My model, it shows, if you see from the front, from left to right, we have a space for a refrigerator, a dishwasher, and a cupboard where the sink will be above, and then a cupboard where the stove will be above. And because the refrigerator and the dishwasher is going to be standing on the floor, I won't be making a base in those two areas. But I still have to figure out how to make the walls, side walls, be attached to each other. In the model, I haven't drawn the back of the kitchen, but the whole back will be covered in wood as well. So let's get started and cut all of the wood and plane it using my new planer. And then I will glue the first piece. I had to spend a whole hour cleaning up this place so that I could get some space to work in here. Also, this is also a planer that I bought on an auction. I've been trying to find tools cheaper because I can't buy everything new because I need so much. But, and I tried it in December. But I don't know if you can see this, but it actually made the wood even more. It made the wood more uneven, so the blade is too blunt and I don't know how to replace it. It's a very old one. I could hardly find the manual for it, and only in German. So yeah, this has to go. It's completely useless. Nej. 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 Nej, sa jag. Ah. Nej, ut med dig. Ut. Hur är det? Ha? Mimmi, kom. Nej, inte ni. Sluta. Hej. Hej, sötnossa. Namino. Ja, du ska också få. Jag kan. Oho. Oj. Så ja. Ja. Hej. Last one. Hej. Hej. Alright, so I've made enough to make almost 2, but I want to plane them now and see what it looks like. I did manage to try to make 1 board. It took me an hour to figure out how to get it started. There was some kind of safety mechanism that was triggered when you put a piece in that I had missed. So now it's working. Okay.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming. Golden, I'll follow only golden. Golden, golden things. Mountain laurel high five, miles in spring. Rain with a trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow my golden. Golden, golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, gold. I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Walk up the river by my sun. Feet step over splinters of moon. Golden, I'll follow the golden, golden, golden things. Gold birds, gold string, gold words.
Let's see how yesterday's first board is like.
Golden, golden things. Golden, I'll follow them. Golden, golden, golden things.
This is the last piece that I'm going to sand for this stage. I've spent about 1.5 hours sanding each bit. It really matters. The effort you put in when you glue them together is really worth it when you sand now, because every single millimeter takes a long time to sand down. But I start with the most coarse. I go from 60 to 80 to 120 to 180. Okay, let's time this. It's 10:50 p.m. This week I've also finished restyling this Art Deco floor lamp in a new vlog that I will publish this weekend, exclusive to my patrons. Thank you for your support.